Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to take a minute to discuss what's going on here. So we are at the South Public Safety Center on Brock Avenue, the brand new South Public Safety Center, to have the public in to see not only the building but also much of the equipment that our first responders use. Fire, police, EMS are all here showing off various tools of the trade, ranging from some of the health equipment that the EMS uses, some of the fire suppression equipment used by our fire department, and various equipment used by the police department, including the port security unit and some of the things that they do. We want to bring everybody in for a variety of reasons. One, so you can see what your tax dollars are going to, and including not just equipment, but the great training that our first responders have. Secondly, and to hear whistles like that. Secondly, to see, for kids to see what these professionals do, to get a sense of it. And we want to continue to do these types of educational programs as time goes on, because it's something that I think, frankly, the public deserves to see and know, but also it gives you a sense of trends in the industry and how we can all keep one another safe as a city. So I hope you enjoy the show.
Hi, good afternoon. My name's Scott Kruger. I'm the chief of the Bedford Fire Department. Welcome to Fire Prevention Week. It's October 9th through October 15th. It's an event that's held every year, sponsored by the National Fire Protection Agency, and it's a great week to bring awareness of fire safety to our school-age children, all the way up to our senior citizens, where they can learn fire safety tips, how to fire safe your home, make sure you have working smoke detectors, how to have an escape plan, how to prevent cooking mishaps, how to properly discard smoking materials. So this is a great venue, the South End Public Safety Center. It's a nice large venue. We have a beautiful day over here. There's a lot of activities going on, so everybody can learn from young to old, learn about fire prevention, meet some of the members of the New Bedford Fire Department. Look at the apparatus. There's also other public safety agencies that are here as well. New Bedford Police, Sheriff's Department, State, Commonwealth of Massachusetts has this materials team. So there's a lot to do over here. It's a great opportunity, like I said, to learn about fire safety and just see what your fire department is all about.
Hi, my name is Anthony Puente. I'm a firefighter for the City of New Bedford, also the public fire and life safety educator. We're here today on a nice Saturday afternoon. Today we have a lot of people here. We have the Sheriff's Department, we have the New Bedford Police Department doing a canine demonstration. We have the American Red Cross here. We have emergency management here. We have animal control who has, they brought their snake, their tarantula, their bearded lizard, a few animals that they have. And it's just a way to reach out to the community to let them see what we have to offer in our city.
Good afternoon. My name is Tina LePage. I'm the Director of Public Programs at the Bristol County Sheriff's Department. We're here today in New Bedford at the Public Safety Day, and our table has the autism seatbelt covers we're giving out free for our children in the community. We have fingerprinting for the children and free coloring books from the Sheriff's Department.
I'm Shelley at one of the animal control offices here in New Bedford. We're here at Fire Safety Day at the new Public Safety Building. So we have some of our animals here, our office animals that we use for educational purposes. We do have our snake here, we have the tarantula over there. I do have some other animals in the truck, our bearded dragon, we have a dog in the truck, and we also have the ferret that's walking around. We have a couple of our VOC interns here helping us out today. They're volunteering for their volunteer hours that they need for school. On the table we have here, we have some coloring books for the kids about fire safety with their animals. We have some information on rabies. We have information on dog bites and little stuff. We have stickers for the kids and some stamps for their hands if they'd like. And they can actually interact with some of the animals that we have.
Hi, my name is Allie. I am the Disaster Program Manager for the Southeast Territory of the American Red Cross, and we're here today at the safety event to promote home fire safety. So we do free fire alarm installations for people to make their homes safe for them, and then we also have some teams that go out for immediate responses when there is a fire to help you solve any immediate needs that you would have after a fire.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a volunteer with the American Red Cross in the Southeastern Mass Territory. We're inside of a feeding truck, so we use this as an emergency response vehicle in the territory to respond to home fires, and then it also transitions into a feeding truck for the disasters, just like the one that's going on right now in Florida. So this is just the interior of the vehicle.
Hi, we're at the Public Safety Building on Brock Avenue in the New Bedford Police Department. Today we're having a Fire Safety Day and the Police Department is included. It's a public safety event promoting safety for our entire community.
Canine for 15 years. This is my second canine partner. His name is Loki. He's an all-black German Shepherd from Germany. All his commands are in German. He attended a 10-week patrol school at the Boston Canine Academy, followed by an 11-week explosive protection academy. Canine Loki can track people, find people hiding in buildings, find articles. If I lose my cell phone, I can set them out and he can find it for me. He also, he's explosive detection. He can find anything from trace evidence all the way up to military-grade explosives and the new hydrogen peroxide-based explosives. We do a lot of training. We train 3 days a month to keep him at his top step. What we're going to do is I hit something out here, so I'm going to put him out, give his command, I'm going to put him on his lead, and he's going to go and find it. When he finds anything, he gets an awful reward. This is like Christmas morning for him. Everything he does is for his reward. And we play tug of war. All right?
supposed to be bombs planted on the side of the ship or vessel. So we have one of these. So these are magnetic. They will put them up against the the ship or the vessel. So when a ship comes in from overseas, let's say Venezuela, for example, they want us to do a search of the vessel, and what they'll do, they'll send a dive team. So we'll be looking for anything similar to this. That shouldn't be up against the bulkhead of a ship. Once we locate it, then what we have to do is we have to call the bomb squad out of the Navy. They'll come in and they look at it, and they'll determine whether it's a bomb or not.